Alright, this is a weekly reading for Scorpio. I have a playlist here. I'm going to pick one of the songs off the playlist. The rest will be listed in the description below. See, we have Bush Glycerine. So if you haven't heard that song, it's a pretty good song. It's all the way from the 90s. Yay. But yeah, it's a pretty good song. I feel like, it goes with a lot of themes, even if it doesn't sound like it would. It does. Anyway, so let's see. The week as a whole is going to be the Temperance in reverse. So avoidance of conflict, being a pushover, extremes, overlooking the obvious, excess, outside issues coming into the home, lack of balance. It's a Sagittarius energy, so it's a lot of stuff coming in. It might not be like the best news, or it might not be the best thing to deal with. I feel like it might have something to do with your relationship. So it's a lot of conflict. But I do feel for the most part it's getting down to the point of actually being a resolution too. So yeah, it's like right when you're in the depths of an argument or in the depths of something that you can't get out of, salvation happens. Probably through the weirdest way possible, but I do feel like it's a break from something that's going to be happening soon. So let's see. Number 2, something unexpected that will arise. We have strength, inner strength. So, like I said. Anyway, remaining strong, passionate, compassionate, caring for others, focus, bravery, finding inner strength, having inner strength, having a strong sense of responsibility. So it's a Leo energy, but I do feel like this is kind of the salvation I was telling you about. Could come from you, it could come from somebody else, but you're ready to deal with it, like in a strategic way or a logical way, or just get it to the point of a resolution. So whatever it is, you know what it is. But yeah, it seems to be coming to an end. So we have number 3, how you can stay grounded and balanced. We have the 4 of Wands. The 4 of Wands, a new home, community, purchase of a property, celebration, relationship becoming more serious, feeling comforted, safe, and secure. So, Aries in Venus. So, I feel like everything's going to come together finally, but I feel like it's going to come together once everything is, complete. So there might have been a third party instance, there might have been naysayers, there might be just legal troubles, or there might be just outside influences bothering you, which, you could easily just shut the door. But I do feel like there's going to be some discussion, there's going to be some arguments, but once it's all said and done, it's all going to be balanced, grounded upon its own foundation, where your relationship will grow better, your career will proceed, and it's not going to be so rocky that it's not fixable the next time it happens. I feel like it's just going to be a lot of conversation that will fix this. So number 4, important emotion you will feel this week. We have the Knight of Pentacles. The Knight of Pentacles works hard, efficiently, takes their time, has the patience of a saint, is persistent, hardworking, responsible, can be relied upon. So Aries and Taurus. So fire sign or earth sign. So Aries, Leo, and Sag, or you have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So it's one of those energies. If it's in your chart, then, pretty cool stuff. And if you have a friend that happens to be either a fire sign or a, earth sign, they could come to the rescue, help you out, be inspiring, say the right things to calm you down also. Or just, ease things over. Okay, let's see. Okay, number 5, something that will inspire you. I feel like this one was important emotion you will feel this week. So, inspiring. We have the Knight of Swords in reverse. So, Knight of Swords. Destruction can be a bully. Aggression. No direction. Conflict. Disregard for consequence. Conflict. Handles arguments with their fists. Unpredictability. So, Capricorn, Aquarius. I feel like it might be legal trouble, but I do feel like it's either legal trouble or it's like a challenge. And, if you're an influencer and you challenge, like, your rival to something to see who does it better, I feel like usually, whoever starts it usually finishes it pretty well, because you have a head start. I wouldn't dare anybody to try to do what I've done 100 times without a head start. It makes it more fun. Anyway, but take that with you. Anyway, we have number 6. How your spirit guides speak to you this week. We have the Ace of Cups. The Ace of Cups is new love, spirituality, beginning of a relationship, feelings growing, potential, intuition, birth of a female, new feelings. So, water and autumn. So, it's a bit of a new idea. It's new love, it's a new beginning. It could also be the potential of something really fun. But yeah, it's you having a eureka idea or something changing in your life that's really substantial, like a bond, foundation, something to that effect that's gonna move forward fairly quickly. Okay, number 7. How to best support yourself this week. We have the Hierophant in reverse. So new approaches, commitments you don't want, rebellion, outdated tradition, submersive, judgment for lifestyle, being punished for doing the right thing. I feel like it doesn't matter what you do, you're going to be punished for whatever you're doing. But I do feel like it's something to do. Like, it's not anything that's, like, insanely crazy or whatever. I just feel like it's somebody that doesn't like you, period. And it doesn't matter what you're going to do. They're not going to like it anyway. So, I'm just going to say this. Whatever you choose to do, whether you're taking on a rival, business stuff, or, just anybody to begin with, I would say you know what's best for you, and they don't. But you're going to be judged by third parties. You're going to be judged by other people about how you feel about your situation. And to be honest, like, who gives a rat's ass? Like, they're wasting their time talking to you when they could be doing other shit for themselves. If they're not doing that, then who's watching the till on their end? Nobody. And to be honest with you, you can, mess with their shit. But, yeah, some people, like, they can't help themselves but make other people miserable, because misery loves company, obviously. But, yeah, like, nobody should worry about how your lifestyle is. It's your life. You're able to do whatever you want with it. I deal with depression every day, so, yeah, my room kind of shows it. It's not the best time to give you the tour, but, yeah, it's, it's nobody's business. But it's kind of scary to onlookers. It kind of looks like Wednesday Addams' room, like a lot of broken things. But, yeah, it doesn't matter what you do with your life as long as you feel like it's worthwhile or it's helping you out in some way. Um, you know, people are different. You can't put your beliefs on somebody who doesn't hold the same beliefs, Anyway, Scorpio, I hope this helped you out in some way. If you like this, leave a like. If you like what I'm doing on here, subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, ideas for my next video, leave them in the comment section below, and I will read those. Alright? Bye now.